Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Bureau of Islamic Studies, Islamia College, Autonomous, Wanembadi. Solicit your kind presence on the occasion of Siratul Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam on Wednesday, 19th February 2025 at 11 a.m. at Allama Iqbal Auditorium. Chief guest Hazrat Maulana Abdul Azim Sahib Umari Madani, Vice Principal Jamia Darussalam Umarabad, and Hazrat Maulana Dr. Amin Ahmad Sahib Umari, Assistant Professor of Arabic, Jamia Darussalam Umarabad, will address the gathering. Moda Ahmad Basha, President. Pudupet Abdullah Basha, General Secretary. Yaliam Munir Ahmad, Secretary and Correspondent. P. Ahmad Salim, Secretary, Dini Talim Committee. Dr. T. Afsar Basha, Principal. P. Tanveer Ahmad, Coordinator. Thank you for your listening.